stay tuned because I'm going to teach you how to make a peptide, collagen peptide mask. As you know, peptides are very restorative, especially for very aging skin. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Hello my lovely friends on YouTube, Clarissa here. I am back with another video, my sweet friends. And this video is going to be about how to make in your own home a collagen peptide that is super absorbable into the skin, and collagen peptide mask. And as I had explained in several videos about peptides, peptides is a short chain of amino acids that is derived from collagen protein, and collagen peptides are very restorative for very aging skin, especially because has a great ability to penetrate deep into the skin due to the very small molecular structure. So I am going to teach you how to make it at home. And now I had also mentioned that not all collagen peptides are formulated the same. So I have a specific brand here that I like it very much, and it's this one here, collagen peptides for hair, skin, nails, and joint support. So I have a brand here from Orgain company, which is the collagen peptides that I made a review in one of my last videos. Now, a collagen peptide versus just collagen are very different. The peptides, like I said, is a short chain of amino acids, and it has been broken down in order to be more absorbable into the body. And in this case, we're going to use externally to repair the skin, since has been broken down to be very digestible, to take it internally. Therefore, if you use it externally, it's going to repair the skin. So what you're going to take is half of a scoop. I'll show you the size of the scoop. It's a white powder, and this is the scoop. You could take it half of the scoop, Okay, girls. So take the powder and just fill it half of the scoop, and you could use it also a whole scoop if you want to. This will be half, okay? Now you're going to dissolve it in a toner. If you have a toner free of alcohol, make sure it has no alcohol though. So if you can find a toner or rose water that has completely no chemicals, no preservatives, no colorings, and the toner the same. But if you don't have those two items, you could use coconut water or spring water. And so half of this scoop of the powder, you dissolve it, and it's going to be almost like a thick toner, almost like a gel, but thinner than a gel. And so what you're going to do is take the pure refined Emu Oil, or Abyssinian Oil as well. You could use it. Don't use any other oils, because this is going to help absorb and penetrate those peptides into your skin. Abyssinian Oil or Emu Oil or coconut oil. Coconut oil also has a very small molecular structure to help penetrate other ingredients into the skin when you are applying masks or toners or any kind of a solution. So it's either Emu Oil, Abyssinian Oil, or coconut oil. So what you're going to do is take about 20 drops of the Emu Oil, or 20 drops of the Abyssinian Oil, or half of a teaspoon of coconut oil. So you mix it together. Remember, it's going to be almost like a like a serum but thinner than a serum. So it's going to penetrate really nice into the skin, and just leave it for a whole hour and do derma rolling before, or any type of exfoliation before applying this facial mask. And peptides can also be used on your hair, doing the same procedure. And in this case, you will have to take 2 scoops, depends how long your hair is, or take 1 scoop if your hair is shorter, and then mix it with the oils. So if you're going to double the amount of the collagen peptide powder, then you have to double the amount of the oils as well. Peptides helps to penetrate really good into the hair shaft, restoring very aged and dehydrated hair as well. So I wanted to make this video because I have done another video, it's not uploaded yet, and I was talking about the importance of collagen, how collagen loses in our body through the years, degrades in our body through the years, and so we have to keep on replacing it. We cannot just leave it alone without replacing with a supplementation of good collagen. I recommend the collagen peptides rather than just collagen, because collagen peptides are much more absorbable. We don't know if the collagen by itself has a technology to reduce the molecular structure of the collagen, because the collagen by nature has a very large molecular structure. And when it comes to collagen peptides, it already has been broken down in order to absorb into the skin or be digested internally into your body. So this is the video that I wanted to do, and I will post the other video first, and because I explained the importance of collagen 1, collagen 2, and collagen 3. So stay tuned for the video because I'll be uploading soon. My friends, so before I say goodbye to you, I'd like to mention about this product, Curology. I had ordered a few months ago, and I tested for a whole month with no results whatsoever. And I wanted to give it a try. Supposedly, they say they formulate according to your skin, and I don't think that's what is being done, because I asked, I had requested that it should be formulated according to my mature skin. But this is what I got. This formula is probably for a 17-year-old person, a teenager, or a 20-year-old person. It has the tretinoin, very, very low amount, very super low, 0.07%, very low. And the vitamin C, 5%, very low. Niacinamide, 4%. Also very low. Comparing to what I use, niacinamide is 20%. So if they want to put tretinoin, it should be at least 0.5%. And the thing is that the formula, I realized later, I went into more research, it's the tretinoin, it's mixed with, the vitamin C, which is an acid. And what it does, it just neutralizes the tretinoin, making it practically invalid to work. And so I see a lot of advertising about this product. This is good for a very young person. This is not good for a mature person. The little bit of tretinoin that they put, it's not going to do anything to the skin, and that's why it's very inexpensive. It's not expensive. So I think it's like, I don't know, less than $30. So just to give you a warning, because don't waste your money. That's all I wanted to say. And you take care, my friends, and I'll see you in few minutes. in a few days. I'll see you in a few days. And you take care and stay gorgeous. And thank you so much for your beautiful comments and all the love that you released to me. I really appreciate it. Touch the bell for new video notifications and new subscribers. Welcome, and give this video a thumbs up. I sent my love to Linda, Bernadette, Jana. Let me see. I have my faithful viewers that I should say hello to all of them. Let me see here. Let me go into my channel. And okay, so I'm going to mention the names of the ladies from my last video. And
this is Jana.
Okay.
She paid off all her student debt.
Okay, let's see here. Okay, so hello, a big hello to Linda Nuns. Hello, Linda. Send you a big kiss. Elena, faithful Elena, thank you so much. A big kiss to you too. Julie, such a faithful lady. She watches me all the time. She's the first one to put a comment. A big hug and a kiss to you. Jana, my beautiful princess Jana, my best friend. I'll send you a long big kiss as well. Let me see here. Okay, Natalie the Beauty Diva. Natalie the Beauty Diva, go and see her channel. She is such a wonderful human being, always trying to help new YouTubers, you know, sharing their videos and mentioning their names. So Natalie the Beauty Diva, she always calls me my anti-aging angel. I'll send you a big hug and a big kiss. Who else have left messages? Okay, so those are the messages. Not too many messages in my last video, but you be beautiful, be gorgeous, be healthy, and remember that it's possible to look gorgeous and beautiful at any age, no matter what they tell you. Once you put the effort, the discipline, and invest a little bit of money, you are good to go. Discipline and your body, it's very rewarding because it's the temple of God and God will reward you. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.